Okay, students, now we have to see the movement of a ball in a bowl as an example of simple harmonic motion. You know, students, that whenever a marble piece or a stone is, inserted in a bowl and it moves from one side, so what will happen? It stops at the bottom of the bowl. It rolls up and down each side of the bowl, moving through the equilibrium position, and this repetitive motion is called oscillation. And you know very well that what's the oscillation? Any oscillation is characterized by a period and frequency. Now we will see in detail that how the motion of a ball in a bowl is an example of simple harmonic motion. For this purpose, students, you can see the book page of your physics 10 book, and you can see from the diagram given in the book, which tells us that motion of a ball placed in a bowl is another example of simple harmonic motion. And this is figure 10.2, and according to this figure, when the ball is at the mean position O, you know very well what the mean position is that point about which a body oscillate or vibrate. So when the ball is at the mean position O, that is at the center of the bowl, net force acting on the ball is 0. In this position, weight of the ball acts downwards and is equal to the upward normal force of the surface of the bowl. Hence, there is no motion. Now students, if we will bring the ball to position A and then release it, you will see that the ball will start moving towards the mean position O due to the restoring force caused by its weight. Now what will happen? At position O, the ball gets maximum speed, and due to inertia, it moves towards the extreme position B. While going towards the position B, the speed of the ball decreases due to the restoring force which acts towards the mean position. Now what will happen at the position B? The ball starts for a while and then again moves towards the mean position O under the action of the restoring force. You know that restoring force is what? It is that force which brings the body backward towards its mean position. So in this way, this to and fro motion of the ball continues about the mean position O till all its energy is lost due to friction. So in this way, the to and fro motion of the ball about a mean position placed in a bowl is a clear example of simple harmonic motion.